Back everyone to new file system test 2. I have the system title Spectral Alert Classic P1224MC, Firelight BG12 Silent Switch, and this RSG metal T-bar. Another some sensor up there, and here I have another one, and there's some wiring here. Where's it go? Now, I'll show you in a second. First, I made it so I can use 2 pull stations. Well, let's just use the silent switch. So, and let me just reset that, and I'll show you the other one. Oh, jeez. Being stripped. Come on. Oh, jeez. There we go. And now I can do this one too. So yeah, I have 2 pull stations on the system. Hang on, sorry. Be a bad video. I need that. Hang on a second, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, there we go. Let's reset that. I have a new file alarm to the system. It's downstairs. So, it also has audible silence, as I was calling it strobe selection or something, but Hunter fire alarms. Calling it audible silence, which is cool. Also, people who have been really commenting on my videos, who I really like, who I enjoy, who are commenting, Hunter Fire Alarms, Exit, Sign 250, and Riley Dilly. Thank you guys so much, and I subscribe, and blah, blah, blah. So let's just get to the system. 3, 2, 1. I think this one's sick. Weird. It's on its neck. Up. What's this? Yeah. It also has audible silence. Yeah. I just used tape to mount it. Not pretty good, but better than nothing. I have 3 wires. Yeah. I don't know if this works. Yeah, it works. Did it go off? I'll do it again. What else? Yes, Mommy?
Hold on, I can't deal with this all day. I can't. Okay? It's too loud.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Oh well. I guess that means I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. You don't have to, I'm just wondering. Thank you again for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed New System Test 2. Have a nice day.